let's step into the one bedroom, and it's all prepared and ready. And all right, let's see what we have. So we've got looks like a hallway here, and this is a kind of a tile that we're standing on. Looks like more tile than hardwoods, although it might be hardwood actually. Maybe it is. Anyway, here's the bathroom, and so right when we walk in, we've got the bathroom. We do have oh yes, very, very nice storage area here. So great amount of shelves that are all built in. So that's awesome. We've got the bathroom countertop and pretty sink. And it looks like we've got have some brown cabinets with a really large handles. Those are really cool. Love that. And then here's the tub with the shower. So it all feels good. The walls are kind of grayish, maybe gray green, and they're very nice and pleasing. I like them. And then in here, I'm thinking that this might be, yes, I was hoping it would be the washer and dryer. So you've got a washer and dryer all waiting for you in here. Okay, so let's now go back into the hallway. And it looks like you have a good closet. Okay, I love having that closet in here. The more closet space, the better. So that's a great closet. And then you've got your bedroom. So the bedroom, one thing that's fun that I want to point out is this is actually a barn door close. Have you ever seen this type? It's fun. So it's basically closes off like that, and then it's closed. So you've got privacy, and it's just kind of a fun way to have a door. I love barn doors like that. That's so cool. So anyway, here's the bedroom. So you could fit. Says I totally agree with what this sign says. You could fit a queen in here. Absolutely, shouldn't be a problem at all. And you could have two small, probably one table over here, because then you have a closet and another closet over here. And then if it was a queen, you could have a dresser here as well. And there's a cable plug, and so that might be a good spot for TV, or really just use the internet and have your modem set up and stuff. So anyway, got a good wall that's got a lot of space over here. You do have two closets over here as well. So the closets, they're not, I was gonna say, it's actually not two, it's one, but it's just got two doors. So it's one long continuous closet. And that's it. Okay. So the carpet in here is a light brown, and it should match pretty much anything. The walls in here are white. And now let's see. Okay, so we now go into this area, and we've got just a gorgeous, really pretty, just delightful kitchen area. So let's see what's in the kitchen area. Okay, so great pantry all ready and set up for you. So good size pantry, like that a lot. Here's the granite countertops that are here, and you've got a white cabinet. Oh, that's kind of nice. I like that. So it's whitish, but it's kind of white and wheat and different colors on the cabinet. So those are pretty. There's also, by the way, a ledge at the very top of this. So you could technically, I guess, store some more things up there, but these are pretty good sized cabinets, and there's a decent amount of them. So anyway, you've got that. You've got kind of a black kind of little bits of tile in there, small tiles, and that's all good. And then of course you've got all your appliances that you would need: a stove, microwave, and dishwasher. It's all here. So you have that, and then you definitely have some plugins over here for perhaps you could set up a desk over here. That might make a lot of sense. And then maybe set up your TV over here. That might be perfect. You could have a couch kind of here in the middle, or you could have, I don't know, there's a couple of combinations. You could have a couch here. No, I think it would make more sense to maybe be looking here for the TV. So it's a very open area, and you can really do what you want with it. Now, let's check out the balcony. Let's see. There we go. So we're looking out, and here's the balcony, and it's actually a pretty decent sized balcony. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is actually a large balcony. 6-step balcony, and so you could fit easily about 3 chairs, 4 chairs out here, and it's just got some great views. So this is awesome. Right over there, this is Ruth Street. So if you just walk down just a little bit, you're at the Katy Trail and at the Katy Trail Ice House. So that's a super popular place to hang out in Uptown. Actually, both places are, but for getting something to drink or a great, some great bar food and snacks and meals and stuff, that's a great place too. So great feel. Hope you're seeing just kind of the neighborhood feel too. It's about 2 o'clock, by the way. It's on a Thursday, so this is the feel at that time of day. Got nice sidewalks, and it's a very residential area, so it's a great area to be ready to explore and have fun. Okay, let's walk back inside. Awesome. And honestly, that's it. So I'm going to recap. You do have a balcony. It's a nice sized balcony. You've got a kitchen area and living area that you can, it's just a big wide open space. You can make your own. You do have plenty of